How America is preparing for the next war. In today's world of rising geopolitical tensions, the United States is not preparing for the war of the past but for the war of the future. Across the defense spectrum, a quiet revolution is underway, driven by artificial intelligence, stealth bombers, hypersonic missiles, and space capabilities. Yet, while these advances promise technological supremacy, there is also a sobering reality. Modern war is no longer defined by technology alone, but by how soldiers, drones, and doctrine interact on the battlefield. The war in Ukraine has proven that even the most advanced platforms cannot replace manpower, adaptation, and real-world tactics. If America fails to merge technology with battlefield lessons, it risks repeating history's mistakes. The Pentagon is currently investing in over 600 AI projects, transforming everything from logistics to direct combat operations. A groundbreaking example is DARPA's X-62A Vista, an F-16 flown entirely by AI. This experiment paves the way for collaborative combat aircraft (CCA), autonomous drones that will fly alongside manned fighters as scouts, decoys, or weapons carriers. The advantage is clear. AI can analyze reconnaissance data in minutes, identify hidden threats, and recommend strategies faster than any human commander. However, U.S. policymakers stress that lethal decision-making must remain under human control, ensuring ethical responsibility in warfare. One of the cornerstones of America's next-generation military power is the B-21 Raider, the world's most advanced stealth bomber. Unlike its predecessor, the B-2 Spirit, the B-21 is designed for mass production, with at least 100 aircraft planned. Its advantages include advanced stealth to penetrate enemy air defenses, open architecture systems for constant upgrades, ability to carry both conventional and nuclear weapons. The B-21 will allow the U.S. to conduct long-range strikes across continents, reinforcing America's doctrine of deterrence. Another domain of the arms race is hypersonic weapons, missiles that travel faster than Mach 5 while maneuvering unpredictably. This makes them nearly impossible to intercept. The U.S. is developing several programs including RRW Air-Launched Rapid Response Weapon, launched from bombers like the B-52, HAWC Hypersonic Air-Breathing Weapon Concept, using scramjet technology for sustained hypersonic flight. These weapons will give the U.S. the ability to strike command centers, warships, and missile defenses deep inside enemy territory before they can respond. The establishment of the U.S. Space Force underscores how future wars extend beyond Earth. America's mission is threefold. In space, protect satellites from anti-satellite weapons. From space, provide GPS, missile warning, and secure communications. To space, guarantee independent access to orbit. Projects like the mysterious X-37B spaceplane already test secretive space technologies, giving the U.S. a dominant edge in orbital warfare. Yet, advanced technology alone does not guarantee victory. The war in Ukraine has revealed the brutal truth. Boots on the ground remain decisive, even in an era of drones and AI. From FPV kamikaze drones and loitering munitions to reconnaissance UAVs and drone-guided artillery, unmanned systems have completely reshaped modern ground warfare. Armored vehicles that once led assaults now face catastrophic losses. Soldiers report that even stepping out of a trench for a moment can mean instant detection and death by drones hovering overhead. Russia has adapted faster than expected, using motorcycles for speed and drone evasion, saturating Ukrainian positions with artillery and glide bombs, then sending infantry only after defenders are pinned. This hybrid of mass manpower and advanced drone integration is something the U.S. military has not yet mastered. Despite its high-tech edge, the U.S. military remains wedded to doctrines of the past: shock and awe, maneuver warfare, and rapid dominance. These tactics collapse in a battlefield where every inch of land is contested by drones, missiles, artillery, and infantry coordination. While the Pentagon has studied Ukraine's lessons and updated manuals, critics argue this is not enough. Cultural and doctrinal inertia risk leaving U.S. forces unprepared for peer conflict. History is full of armies that failed to adapt with devastating consequences. From AI swarms and stealth bombers to hypersonics and orbital weapons, America is building the military of tomorrow. But unless these technologies are integrated with modern doctrines, manpower readiness, and drone warfare lessons, the U.S. risks entering the next war dangerously unprepared. The real challenge is not just to invent the future of war, but to ensure soldiers, drones, and systems fight as one cohesive force. If America adapts now, it can secure global stability through deterrence. If not, it may pay in blood tomorrow for what should have been changed today.